In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Descript AI for YouTube. Whether you're producing a polished long-form video or a quick short, I'll walk you through the workflow so you can edit confidently and get your project out faster. Start by logging in to Descript. Once you're on the homepage, look for the New Project button. This is where your work begins. Choose whether you're creating a video project or an audio project. If you're making content for YouTube, video will usually be the best pick, but if you're just preparing a podcast or voiceover, audio may be all you need. Next, upload your file. You can drag and drop from your computer or select it from your folders. Give Descript a moment to process the media. Depending on file size, it may take a little time. While that loads, it helps to have a clear project name so you can easily find it later. If you ever need to review your work or switch between tasks, click the Projects tab. This gives you a clean overview of everything you've created. Open any project and Descript will take you straight to the editing screen. On the right side panel, you'll see AI tools designed to speed up your workflow. One standout is Underlord. Use Underlord to automatically create highlight reels that surface your best moments, perfect for YouTube teasers or shorts. You can also generate custom visuals to complement your narrative. Try short, clear prompts like create a dynamic highlight reel from the most engaging sections, then review what it suggests and refine as needed. When you're ready to build out your visuals, click the Elements tab. Here you can add text, shapes, and media. Use text for titles and lower thirds, shapes for clean callouts, and additional media for B-roll and overlays. Keep your fonts, colors, and spacing consistent so your video feels on brand. To make your content accessible and more engaging, click Captions to add captions or subtitles. Adjust the style to match your branding and scan for accuracy before finalizing. As you design, keep your target length in mind. If you're creating shorts or reels, aim for punchy edits that come in under a minute. For full-length videos, pace your content so viewers stay engaged throughout. When everything looks and sounds right, it's time to export. Choose the quality settings that fit your needs, name your file clearly, and export your video. You're ready to upload to YouTube and share your work with the world.